In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailerlite with Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. From there, go to Apps. Then click Visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, look for Mailerlite Email Automation and make sure the developer listed is Mailerlite, so you're installing the correct app. Once you've confirmed that, click Add App, then Install App to complete the installation inside Shopify. After the app is installed, the next step is connecting your Mailerlite account. Click Connect, then sign in to Mailerlite when prompted. You'll be asked to review the permissions Shopify and Mailerlite need in order to work together. After reviewing them, click Authorize, and then give the platforms a moment to finish the connection process. Once the connection is complete, you'll choose the Mailerlite group where your Shopify subscribers should be added. If you don't already have a suitable group, create a new one, and then select it. After that, choose your preferred customer synchronization option. You can either sync all Shopify customers or only the customers who have accepted email marketing. This part is especially important because marketing emails should only be sent to people who have given consent. Also keep in mind that customers without marketing consent can't be used for certain e-commerce marketing automations. Next, follow the prompts to enable the Mailerlite extension in Shopify. If Shopify opens your theme settings, go ahead and enable the Mailerlite app or extension there, then save your theme settings. This step helps unlock features like e-commerce tracking and Mailerlite pop-ups on your Shopify store. Now, it's a good idea to verify that everything connected properly. Return to Mailerlite, then go to Account Settings and open e-commerce. Find your connected Shopify store and review the details, including the store URL, the assigned subscriber group, and the subscriber list synchronization setting. This is a quick way to confirm that the integration is pointing to the right store and using the right audience settings. To check your imported contacts, go to Subscribers in Mailerlite and open the group you selected earlier. Look through the list to confirm that your eligible Shopify subscribers have been imported. You can also open a subscriber profile to verify their information. If something seems missing, allow the initial synchronization to fully finish before troubleshooting. You can also use your Shopify products directly inside Mailerlite campaigns. Go to Campaigns, create a new campaign, or open a draft, and choose the drag and drop editor. In the Products section, drag the import from stores block into your email, select your connected Shopify store, choose the products you want to display, add them to your newsletter, and save the campaign. Mailerlite can pull in product images, links, and text automatically, which saves time and keeps your emails consistent. Finally, to create e-commerce automations, go to Automations in Mailerlite, create a new workflow, choose an e-commerce trigger, configure your email sequence, add delays and extra emails if needed, review the workflow, and activate the automation. Once that's done, your Mailerlite and Shopify integration is ready to use.